Hi there, students. A fishwife. Okay, a fishwife is a way to criticize somebody for being vulgar, abusive, nagging with a loud, unpleasant voice. This is particularly used for women, the word wife, but you could call a man a fishwife as well. I'm certain of it. So let's see, a fishwife, somebody who's always rude, they're vulgar, they're crude, they're always nagging, and they've got this loud, unpleasant voice. So I wish that fishwife would stop complaining. Yeah, somebody a woman who's regarded as coarse and unrefined and always telling people off, a loud, unpleasant woman. Yeah, she's such a fishwife. Okay, let's see. So somebody who's always shouting. Yeah, I think that a fishwife, this definitely has the idea of somebody shouting. They're rude, they're loud, they shout at you, they're insulting, and this is the idea of a fishwife. So you could say somebody's behaving like a fishwife. They're shouting a lot, they're being unpleasant, they're being bad-tempered. So a fishwife, this is a British phrase, very disapproving. Somebody who's always scolding everybody. She's got a very sharp tongue. So let's see, as to origin, well, I guess the idea is somebody who's selling fish. Yeah. A fishwife, the basic meaning is a woman who sells fish. And I think maybe in the old days in the fish markets, they were renowned for being very unrefined, very loud, very coarse. But, well, I think that's no longer true. So if you call somebody a fishwife, you're being insulting. As to formality, that's a good one. I think I'm going to give it a 5 in formality. I think you could just about use it anywhere. Yeah, I think so. I think in something very formal, I might use something else, but it's a great word to use. Yeah, a fishwife. You're being very, very insulting about the person. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A fishwife.